Welcome Blue Star School students. Last video we saw chapter number 14. In that chapter we saw subtitle of the practical geometry. Now today we are going to see about exercise number 14.1 in chapter number 14, which is based on circle. What do you mean by circle? In our environment, you find many things that are round, a wheel, a bangle, a coin, etc. We use the round shape in many ways. It is easier to roll a heavy steel tube than to drag it. Okay, it is nothing but a circle is a simple closed curve which is not polygon. It has some very special properties. Let's see in detail in exercise number 14.1. After complete the subtitle, you have to take the new page. Put the margin in your index page. Put serial number 2, circle. Okay, circle. Write today's date here. This is your first subtitle in practical geometry. Okay. Write exercise number 14.1, that is circle. Write the first question using black pen. Draw a circle. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. So first we have to draw the rough figure. We have to draw rough figure or rough diagram. Here draw a circle of radius is 3.2 centimeter. So we have to draw a one circle. Okay, with the help of given radius, that is 3.2 centimeter. Here we use coins to draw a rough diagram. This is a rough diagram. You can place the point O as a center. Then draw a radius. This is that we take A. Radius is 3.2 centimeter. 3.2 centimeter. This is a rough diagram. Next we have to draw a main diagram. First, mark a point O. Mark a point O with a sharp pencil. Where we want the center, this is a center of circle. Then already you learn different geometrical instruments and their uses in your animation videos. Okay, some of the most common instruments in your geometry box are ruler, compass, protractor, divider and set square. So here we can use ruler and compass. So take a compass, then open a compass this is a compass. Here this is his pencil and this one is pointer. Okay, now keeping the pointer on O. Okay, before that let's take the measurement. Okay, here radius is 3.2 centimeter. So place the compass pointer on 0 mark of the ruler. So here this is your 0. Then open the compass for the required radius 3.2 centimeter. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 3.1, this is 3.1, this is 3.1, this one is 3.2. Then we have to adjust the compass. This is 3.2 centimeter. Then place the pointer on a compass on O. Then turn the compass slowly to draw a circle. Then draw a radius. This is A. The length between O and A is 3.2 centimeter. This is a main diagram. Next, we have to write the constructions of a circle. We have to take the left side. Right side is used to draw and left side is used to write. To write construction. Okay. Write steps of construction. Steps of construction. What is the first step to draw a circle? First, step 1 is draw a rough diagram. Draw a rough figure. This is your first step. Next, let's move the step 2. What is this step 2? First, mark a point O. Mark a point O with a sharp pencil. A sharp pencil where we want the center of a circle. This is a second point. This is step 2. What is the step 3? What is step 3? Next step is open the compass. Open the compass for the required radius already given in the question. Required radius of, what is the measurement? 3.2 centimeter. Then step 4. Step 4 is place the pointer pointer of compass on O. And last point is, this is last step. Turn the compass slowly to draw a circle. To draw the circle. This is the construction of circles. Next, let's move the second sum. Take a new page, fresh page. Draw the margin. Write the second question with the same center. With the same center O. Draw two circles of radii 5 centimeter, not 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. Okay. First we have to draw a rough figure. In this sum we have to draw two circles with the same center point O. So this is rough figure. You can mark center point as O. This is Q. This is O. OQ is 2.5 centimeter. This is given. Then OP. OP is 4 centimeter. Then we have to draw a main diagram. First we have to take the measurement 2.5 by using the scale and compass. This is 2.5. First plot a point O as a center. Then draw a circle by the measurement of 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Then draw a line. Then mark it as Q. The measurement is 2.5 centimeter. Then we have to take the measurement 4. This is 4 centimeter. So, place the pointer of the compass on O. Center is same for both circle. So, we draw a circle by using this. Compass. Okay. This is the second circle. Then we draw a radius of outer circle, that is marked as P. The measurement of OP is 4 centimeter. We can call this circle as concentric circle. Okay. That means the circle drawn with the same center but with the different radius. That is called concentric circles. Next, let's move the constructions of the diagram. Let me take the left side, left page. Steps of construction. Steps of Step 1. Step 1 is same for all diagrams. So, first step is draw a rough figure or rough diagram. This is a first step. Then what is the next step? Step 2 is same. Mark a point. Mark a point O with a sharp pencil. Where we want the center of the circle. This is a step 2. Next, we have to write the next step. Step 3. What is this step 3? What is the next step? Open a compass for required radius. Open the compass for required radius 4 centimeter. Or we can use 2.5 centimeter. Whatever we want, we can write. Next step is place the pointer of the compass on O. Compass on O. Next step 5 is turn the compass slowly to draw a circle. First we draw a outer circles, or we can draw inner circle. Okay. Next step 6 is again open the compass. For what measurement? 2.5 centimeter. And place the pointer this is step 6 and step 7. You can write. Okay, next let's see the homework problem. Today's homework is draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. This is your today's homework. Only one problem. Okay, thank you students.